Hi, let's make flower today. I will share 3 ways to make flower in Illustrator. First type, let's take a star tool with 6 points. Disable the fill. Now pick the stroke gradient. Make the points rounded. Let me increase its stroke width a little bit. Select your shape, then go to Effect, Distort and Transform Let's take 5 copy and angle to 6. Preview and hit OK. Ctrl C plus Ctrl F to copy paste the shape in front. Press Alt and Shift and drag your shape from corner to place it in the center. Now select both the shapes, go to Object, then Blend and Make. Again Object, Blend and then Blend options. Apply the settings visible on the screen. Our first flower pattern is ready. Let's make second one. For that, take polygon tool with point of your liking. I will take 6 points. Now select the fill with gradient. Disable the strokes. Now go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Then Pucker and Float. Slide the sliders to your liking and hit OK. It's fine here. However, if you wish, you can add more detail to it, like I am doing here. Now it's complete. Let's move on to my last but not the least flower type. First, make a star, 30 points or so. It works best with contrast gradient. Copy and paste the shape in front and then drag the corner to place it in the center. Select both the shapes and go to Object, Blend and make. Now again go to Object, Blend, Make option and select the setting and hit OK. Now go to Effect, Distort and Transform, then Tweak. If you want, you can adjust the setting here, but I am okay with it. So hit OK. And now it's ready, our third and last one. Thank you for watching.